Good evening, my dear class 10 students. I am Mrs. Parvati, PGT Physics, Holy Hearts Educational Academy, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Today, we will discuss about the topic magnetic field due to a current carrying solenoid. What is a solenoid? A solenoid is nothing but it is like spring. Can you imagine spring here? Yeah. It is a coil of circular turns of insulated copper wire closely wound in the shape of cylinder is called solenoid. Have you seen the insulated copper wire in the lab? Yes. Inside copper wire is there and outside it is insulated with the white material. It is insulating material. And that wire you take and windings you take here. Windings. That is called nothing but solenoid. So you can imagine only 4 turns I have taken here, like that number of turns. It is formed in the form of cylinder. Okay. So a solenoid is nothing but it is a coil of many circular turns of insulated copper wire closely wound in the shape of a cylinder is called solenoid. Okay, when you send the current through solenoid, it will behave like a magnet. Exactly, bar magnet. What are the field lines? How do you draw and all? We will discuss now here. Right? So, solenoid means it is also called electromagnet. Whenever the current is flowing through the solenoid, it will behave like magnet. If you stop sending the current through the solenoid, it will not act the magnet. It is a temporary magnet. Electromagnet is a temporary magnet. As soon as the current is stopped, then it won't exhibit any magnetic properties. So, current carrying solenoid can also be called as an electromagnet. It is a temporary magnet. It shows the magnetic properties only when the current flows through it. Okay. So, solenoid carrying current we are going to discuss. What is the shape of the solenoid? I told you it is cylinder. We know that here. I have drawn the diagrams. You can see here. This is a solenoid. An insulated copper wire is closely wound. Okay. The first end is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and second end connected to the negative terminal of the battery through a key. When the key is inserted here, then what happened? Current flows in this way. Here. We have studied in the last class, whenever a coil is carrying current, it behaves magnetic properties. It shows the magnetic properties and we have drawn the magnetic field lines also here. If you draw the field lines here, then what happens? Like this, the field is strong and uniform inside the solenoid, provided when the windings are closely packed and tightly and closely packed, then only the field is uniform and strong inside. Otherwise, field is strong, no doubt. But outside the field is weak in the outside the solenoid. Okay, if outside solenoid field is 0, when the windings are wound very closely and tightly, then field is 0 outside here. Right? Okay. So the field lines start. So how can you see? Do you remember? If you see these field lines of solenoid, magnetic field lines, do you remember anything? Yes, sure, definitely. It looks like a bar magnet. It will act as a bar magnet here. Bar magnet field lines we have drawn. I already explained in the last episode. So the field line starts from North Pole and terminates at South Pole in the air. The field line starts from South Pole and enters in the solenoid inside and terminates at North Pole. So they are close continuous curves here. These are the magnetic field lines arise due to the magnetic field induced due to the flow of current in the solenoid. Okay, and field lines are moving away on the North Pole and reaching to the South Pole here. Okay, so it will act as a bar magnet, I said. If it acts as a bar magnet, how do you locate the pole? By using clock rule. We have already done in circular coil carrying current. If you observe from this side, suppose this is the first end with respect to me. then if the current flows here in the clockwise direction, this will act as a south pole. If the current flows here in the anti-clockwise direction on this loop here, it will act as a north pole here. In this way, we can locate the poles of the solenoid carrying current like bar magnet. Okay, see here, if the current is flowing clockwise, it will look like a S, south pole. If the current is flowing in the anti-clockwise direction, it will look like a north pole here. Got it? Understood all of you? Okay. Now, so what are the properties of the magnetic field line? Same as that of the bar magnet here. Same as if the direction of current changes, suppose I have changed the terminal of the battery, here negative and here positive, then polarity also will change. This will act as south pole and this will act as a north pole here. Okay, to increase the magnetic field strength in the solenoid, what are the methods? This is a very important question for board examination. What is it here? So, first of all, polarity will change. I told you, it is also called electromagnet. You know, solenoid is called electromagnet. It is a temporary magnet. If the current stops flowing, then it will not show any magnetic properties here. And second point is, it behaves like a bar magnet, and we have drawn already. Okay, the field strength can be increased. How can you increase the magnetic field induced in a solenoid? There are 3 points. Number 1, inserting an iron core inside the solenoid. Iron core or any magnetic material insert in the form of rod, then it will act as a solenoid. It will increase the magnetic field induced in the solenoid here. And second point is, by increasing the number of turns. Here how many turns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you increase the number of turns, then more magnetic field is induced. And third point is very important. If you increase the strength of the current passing through the solenoid, then the magnetic field induced will also increase here. So how many factors? 3 factors. What are they? Number 1, insert a magnetic material in the form of rod, iron, example, then it will increase, number of turns increase, then current flowing through the solenoid also will increase here. Now, this is nothing but a current carrying solenoid is used to magnetize the steel rod. To magnetize the steel rod, inside you keep it here. Suppose I have taken the solenoid here, wire. Okay, so iron rod, that is a steel rod you take, I want to convert into magnet. So insert that magnet into the solenoid, then send the current. After some time it will behave like a magnet here. So how do you prepare a steel rod into a magnet? Insert this into the solenoid and send current, then it will behave like a magnet here. In this way, children, solenoid. So, what is the recapitulation of this episode? Solenoid, you know what is meant by solenoid. It will behave like a bar magnet. It produces magnetic field lines, same pattern as that of the bar magnet. And you can locate the poles by using clock rule. South pole and north pole, clockwise south pole, anti-clockwise north pole. On what factors it depends? The magnetic field. How can you increase it? By increasing the number of turns, by increasing the strength of the current, also by inserting a magnetic material like example iron rod inside the solenoid, then the magnetic field induced in the solenoid can be increased. Okay, practice these diagrams and study, children. See you, bye bye.